What's up? You don't got to do that yet, Gray. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Mac from Alkaline Herbs And Recipes. We have the Mayan honey. Today we got Uncle G. We'll be clearing out his eyes once again with this honey, and he's going to close his eyes, and we're going to watch the boogers come out of his eye. So now go back like this. Put it right in here. Good knife drop. Now to kind of get back, because you don't know how they're going to react. He tastes the honey right now.
Yeah, it's not a burn. It's a sensation, everybody. I can say that. It's just a sensation. You know, it doesn't sting. It doesn't hurt. It's just a sensation.
You think it's going to sting?
Because it's your eye. You automatically, your body wants to defend itself and say it's pain. You know, and so what I'm doing is I'm relaxing, kind of like a breath in, and, you know, just let it do its thing.
Worm. Just keep your eyes kind of closed like that. Yeah, keep blinking. There's a white thing coming out. You guys see that? See that white thing coming out of his eyes, guys? Yeah. See that mucus? His eyes closed, just getting everything out. You see it's dripping out, all that mucus. You can see all